Pergonimus westermani. The distribution is Southeast Asia and Japan. The habitat of the lang fluke is found through Asia and in fact the wild variety of mammalian reservoir hosts. Numerous freshwater and circumstance such as crabs and crayfish serve as an intermediate host and in fact occur when these eaten raw or lightly cooked.
Japanese lang fluke is the most common species of a lang fluke that infect human causing the Pergonimus myces. Human infection are most common in Eastern Asia and South America. Pergonimus may present as subacute to chronic inflammatory diseases of the lung. The life cycle of these flukes involves two intermediate hosts plus humans. It complex the life cycle involves distinct phases of egg. The two types of egg is unembryonated and embryonated eggs. Microsporidium and Sportis, Regia, Cercaria, and Metacaria, and adult. Adult fluke live in human lungs and deposit eggs into the bronchi. Eggs are exposed in there by coughing or by being swallowed and pass in the human feces. Eggs then develop in the water for 2 to 3 weeks and ultimately release the Myricadia which invade the first intermediate host. These Myricadia develop through Prosis and Regia stages into the Cercia. The Cercia emerge and invade the second intermediate host, in which they become the Metacaria.
The morphology of adult P. westermani are short in length and very thick. Their size is shaped and combined with their reddish-brown color has been appearance of coffee bean, and oral and ventral suckers are present and they are roughly the same size with the ventral suckers. The diagnosis of infection is usually diagnosed by the identification of Pergonimus eggs and sputum. The eggs are sometimes found in a stool sample. A tissue biopsy is sometimes performed to look for eggs in a tissue specimen. The treatment of Pergonimus westermani is the Prosequetal is the drug of choice of adult or pediatric dosage, 25 mg, given orally 3 times per day for 2 consecutive days. The pathogenesis of P. westermani. The worms finally get into the lung parenchyma and induce the acute exudative phlebitis, the hemorrhage. They gradually mature and are exudating by producing zone of active inflammation with the exudate of collagenous fibrous tissue. The worms are found usually in pairs. Their clinical features are the acute phases, invasion and migration may be marked by diarrhea, abdominal pain, fever, cough, and pulmonary abnormalities. The immunity of the infection is complex and multifaceted by involving the both innate and adaptive mechanism.
The prevention and control. Never to eat raw freshwater crabs or crayfish. Cook the crab and crayfish too well. Travelers should be advised to avoid traditional meals containing the undercook of fresh water.
The Pergonimus westermani is capable of both sexual and asexual reproduction of certain stages of the life cycle, while leaving the snail in the intermediate host. P. westermani can sexually produce many offspring in the Sprosis and Regia stages.